How to build a wrestling ring out of a trampoline. Building a wrestling ring from an unwanted trampoline is something that can be done at home. The result is effective and will enable you to enjoy wrestling games on your own turf. Steps. 1. Take a big piece of plywood. Cut it to the size of your trampoline so it doesn't show. 2. Take some gymnastics pads, or old-school wrestling mats, and cut these to shape, as in step 1. Put these on top of the plywood. 3. Put the plywood and mats, or pads, on the bottom of the trampoline. Keep the frame up using metal poles or pipes. Don't use bungee cords, because these will give way too much bounce. 4. Put a tarp over the trampoline mat. If you want to, go ahead and put the tarp under the trampoline and put it under the plywood and staple it together. 5. Fix the ropes. Take 4 ring posts and insert an eye hole on each, run ropes through them. Cover the ropes with electrical tape. 6. Create the turnbuckle pads. Use either real turnbuckle pads, which you can buy, or use cotton and put it in a pillowcase. 7. Finally, take a big curtain or something similar, and put it on the side pole of the trampoline. Do whatever you want to do to keep it up, and put something like the name of your wrestling company so it looks like an actual WWE ring. Just a bit bigger. Warnings. Try not to break the plywood by hitting the mat too hard.